Hey guys, how you doing? It's Coach Scott again, and again just doing some review videos on Unit 1, getting ready for our test. Let's talk about metric translations, right? Again, just like I said, you will be able to use your metric translation sheet on the exam, right? And let's talk about what we're looking at in the metric translation sheet. Essentially what it gives is give us the metric prefix, right? And then we have a base. What are our bases? Liter, meter, gram. Um, yeah, that's about what we're dealing with now. Um, and there's others, but that'll do for right now. So again, what do we have here? We got the numerical of what those mean. And again, I'm going to talk how I think, which can be different than how you think, and I'll try to show you both ways, right? So let's go over here, and let's say we got something in milliliters, right? Say we've got something 720 milliliters, all right, and we need that in liters, all right. So how do we get that? Okay, so I look on my little sheet, and I look for and I find milli, right, which is three down from the base, right down from centi, and that's 1,000. So how I interpret that, all right, let's say we have a line here, right? What am I putting in here? So that tells me it's a thousandth. So 1 milliliter is a thousandth of a liter. I don't think like that. I think for every 1 liter, I've got to put the one wherever this is on the bottom. There's 1,000, another zero, 1,000 milliliters. That's how I think. Okay. So what I do, and this is a multiplication, that's an x. So that means I'm going to divide, or multiply really, 720 times 1 divided by 1,000, or 720 divided by 1,000, which is going to tell me what? How many liters? That means it's 0.720 liters. Okay? That's what gives me my answer. Okay? Not hard. Let's do another one real quick. Say I'm talking about with meters. All right, and let's say this is a pretty long one. All right, so I've got millimeters. Let's say I've got one. Let's make that a 2.34 times 10 to the 8. Woo, that's a bunch. Millimeters, and I need to know how many kilometers that is. Kilometers, that is. So how I like doing is taking a couple of steps. First, I want to get it to the base. The base is what? Meters. So, get my little line there. Milli, just like up there. So for every 1 meter, that is 1,000 millimeters. Okay, so that gives me the number of meters, but I need to know how many kilometers that is. Let's think. For every 1 kilometer, if I look on my little sheet, kilo, that's 1,000. That means there's 1,000 meters. Okay? So what do? Take my calculator. I'm going to type in, because I don't want to think, 234. And then I'm going to find my double E. 10 to the 8th. So that means I'm going to divide by 1,000, and I'm going to divide by 1,000 again. That means I have 234 kilometers. I write that down. I'm done. I don't need to do anymore. All right? Not hard, but it's what I got to do. Okay, so let's see. what's the other way of doing that as far as using what's exactly on that paper? Let's do that. So I got 720 milliliters. Let me go to purple. This is the other way of doing that, if you think like that. Alright, so I'm going to multiply by this. So I look over here, and milli is 0.001. So that means that 1 milliliter is 1,000th of a liter. And let's see if I can get that with the calculator. Again, my brain does not think like this. So 720 times 0.001, that's going to give me 0.720. So that's how I got to think like that. Let's do it like this. So 2.34 times 10 to the 8th millimeters. So that means that 1 millimeter is 1,000th of a meter. So I got my meters. And of course I do just like that because it's got 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. So I'll do it like that. 1 km is 1,000 meters. And I'll double check my math. 2.34 the 8th. Clear. Wrong button. 2.34 eighth times 0.001 divided by 1,000. And I got the same answer, 234 kilometers, whatever you want to say it. Both of these ways are correct mathematically, they're correct scientifically, they're correct chemically. So if you have this, you will get full credit either way. Alright, but that's how you use your metric translation sheet. I'm sure on the test, I'm real sure on the test, you'll have a couple of questions that ask that, and so good luck. I know you'll do well. And so Coach Scott wishing you good luck and have a great evening.